Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your Snapchat right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my chat at the bottom left right here. And what I'm going to do, if we want to unblock someone on Snapchat, first of all, you need to know how to block them by holding right here to their name, and then you get to see pop-up window, click manage friendship, and then click the block button, and basically you get to double click the block so you can confirm that you want to block that person. If you want to see the block list and you want to delete or unblock that person, you can just go ahead simply to your camera, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my Bitmoji at the top left, and then click on the settings gear at the top right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here block to users. Click on it, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the blocked list. If you want to unblock them, just go ahead and hit cancel and double click yes right here to confirm, and then click cancel and yes, and then cancel and yes, and all that. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.